Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Lee, Head of Maths at the Hermitage Academy. On behalf of the Maths Department, I'd just like to say hello to you all. Hope you're keeping well. We're really looking forward to meeting you all when we get back into school. Secondly, from the Maths Department, we've put on a few little puzzles that we'd like you to try. Each teacher's going to introduce a puzzle. You go away, you try it, and you can send any solutions into the email address transition@hermitageacademy.co.uk. We'll check any of your answers or all of your answers. You don't have to do it for every single one, and any that you do get right, we'll send a certificate out to you. First puzzle today is from me. It's called Hungry Horace and the Donut. You'll see the puzzle here next to me as well. So there's a picture there. Horace has got a donut. He's got 8 friends, and he needs to cut that donut up so that every single person has a piece. So 9 pieces altogether. They don't all need to be exactly the same size. You can have different size pieces of this donut, but every single person needs to get a piece. Your challenge is what is the least number of slices that you need to make in this donut so that everybody gets a piece. For this solution, what I'd like you to do is send in a picture of it. I don't just want you to send the number in. We need to know what your lowest answer is and shows how you've done it as a picture as well. Good luck and see you all soon.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Redhead and I'm a maths teacher at the Hermitage Academy. Here is my maths puzzle for you. It's called Matchstick Frame Puzzle, and I love doing puzzles just like this one. In this diagram there are 5 squares. One square is 3 matchsticks by 3 matchsticks, and then there are 4 squares that are 1 matchstick by 1 matchstick. And it's made from 20 matchsticks. Your task is to change the diagram by moving only 2 matchsticks to make 7 squares. You can do this by drawing it several times, or you can be inventive and make your own versions of matchsticks. You might cut up straws to make them the same size. When you have finished, can you submit your answer to the email address transition@hermitageacademy.co.uk. Take pictures of your before and after of the diagrams. You could shade in the matchsticks different colours, the 2 that you've moved, so that we can see what you've done. Also, write down how many squares you have of each size. So how many 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, and so on. And to give you a total of 7 squares. Really looking forward to seeing your answers, and really looking forward to meeting you in September. Have fun.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Jackson. I am one of the maths teachers at Hermitage Academy. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all in September, but in the meantime I've got another one of our maths puzzles for you to have a try at. And this one is called the birthday puzzle. When asked about his birthday, a man said, "The day before yesterday I was only 25, and next year I will turn 28. This is true on only one day in a year. The question is, when was he born?" My advice to you is I would get a pen, I would get a piece of paper, I would write down some of the key information of this problem, the key things that are going to help you answer it, and then I would just have a try. I would use some dates and just see if I can't use different examples, try some different dates to help me answer that problem. Good luck.
Hello, my name is Mr. Patterson. I'm a math teacher at the Hermitage, and I've got another puzzle for you. Now the puzzle I've picked is the dual cabbage way puzzle, and the reason why I like this is because there's 2 things you can do to attempt this. You can get stuck straight in and try a load of different ways, or you can think a little bit more mathematically and give yourself a good head start, and that's what I'm here to try and get you to do. Now before you start, I want you to think about this. How can you arrange 3 straight lines to give yourself 6 sections? Once you've got that, it makes it a little bit easier for you. Okay, now I want to see all the photos of all the possible ways you can do this. I've got one way, but I'm keen to see what you can come up with. So what I need you to do is take a photo of your solutions and send it in to the email address that Mr. Lee has given you. Okay, Now, good luck with that, have fun, and I look forward to seeing you in September.
Hello, my name is Mr. Duckworth, and my puzzle for you is the algebra cow. As you can see, you have a calculation which is cow times cow equals dead cow. And in that calculation, every C is the same digit. It could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Every O, every W, every D, every E, it's always the same number. You have to work out what digits are what letters. So for example, cow times cow, the first cow will be the same number as the second cow. There's your first hint. It's the same number times by itself. Second hint, I'm going to show you this. You will notice when you have cow times cow equals dead cow, the last digit of cow is represented by W, and the last digit in the answer is also a W. An example I can give you is if you take 125 times 125 to get you 15,625, you will notice it ends in a 5. Now, not all the digits do that, because if it ended in a 2, 2 times 2 would end in a 4. There are only a certain number of digits that when you multiply them together will end in the same digit as they did end in the question. And that's your second hint. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Miss Springhall, and my puzzle that I have for you to solve is called Who Works Where. This type of puzzle is known as an Einstein puzzle, as Albert Einstein made them famous. It's also said that some of his puzzles can only be solved by 2% of the population. They will require you to use some logic and some mathematical reasoning for you to solve them. They're also pretty long and have a lot of information in them, so when it comes on, make sure you pause the video so that you can read it all fully. If you're wondering where to start, my advice would be to draw a table or a grid to help you. And that's it. Don't forget to send in your answers to the email address transition@hermitageacademy.co.uk. We look forward to seeing all of your answers. Remember that your weekly activity is now on the Hermitage website. We really look forward to seeing you all in September, and good luck solving your puzzles.